A very disturbing medical case from the United States has raised serious questions about patient safety, trust in doctors, and how much practices can go unnoticed for years. You're watching Times XP, it's me, Dhritiya 3. A US court has found an Indian origin gynecologist guilty of medical malpractice and fraud after it was revealed that he repeatedly used the same medical device on multiple women, and that too without properly disinfecting it. Well, this is not a minor mistake. This is a serious breach of medical ethics. The doctor worked in women's healthcare, a field built entirely on trust. Patients came to him for routine checks, cancer screening, and diagnostic procedures, believing that they were in safe hands. But instead, prosecutors say that those patients, they were unknowingly exposed to health risks that should never exist inside a medical clinic. So here's what the court heard. The gynecologist used a device known as hysteroscope, which is inserted through the private part and cervix to examine the uterus. Many of these devices are designed for single use only, meaning that they must be thrown away after one patient. But according to the verdict, the doctor reused the same device again and again on different women without even proper sterilization. This created a risk of infection, contamination, and serious harm. But you know what makes this case even more alarming is the scale here. Over several years, the doctor performed thousands of such procedures. Many patients later reported pain, discomfort, and complications, leading investigators to take a closer look at his practice. Well, authorities also found that several of these procedures were medically unnecessary, yet they were still billed to government-funded healthcare insurance program. Well, the financial trial hold another story here. The doctor submitted millions of dollars in claim to public healthcare system, receiving large payments for procedures that prosecutors said should never have been done in the first place. Well, this turned the scam from medical negligence into criminal fraud. After examining the evidence, the jury delivered a very strong verdict. The gynecologist was found guilty on dozens of charges related to unsafe medical practices, misuse of medical devices, and healthcare fraud. The court made it crystal clear that patient safety cannot be compromised for money, convenience, or speed. Well, the doctor's legal team has denied any wrongdoing and claims that he believed his methods were safe. However, the court disagreed, ruling that the risks were obvious and actions were unacceptable. Well, sentencing is expected in the coming month, and the punishment could be severe here. This particular case, it goes far beyond one doctor or one clinic. It exposes how vulnerable patients are when trust is broken. It shows how medical systems can fail when oversight is weak, and it serves a warning that even licensed professionals can abuse their position. For patients, the lesson is painful but important. Ask questions, seek second opinion, understand the procedure here, because healthcare should heal and not harm. And when that trust is violated, the consequences must be serious.